some good stories for sure. Yeah, right.
Riley, hey! Stay right, stay! 13, go!
When you're a head coach, you get that privilege.
Hey, hey, hold up, wait! Game on the side, shoot the 1-3-1. Back. Austin, get back! Way back, Austin! Oh, here we go. Go for Mason. Go for Mason. Let's go. Riley, you got to get to that corner. Hey, Dalton and Gabe up high. Dylan, keep it down low. 4 outs around that 1-3-1.
We don't blame you for asking. Right.
When you're ready, you let me know. And I can't watch that anymore. Move the ball. Excellent. Go get it. Alec, one guy's got to get it.
Get it. Oh, nice.
Boy, Ethan. Talk your way through.
Shot, Kate. Oh, just out of his reach. That was on Dylan. That's his first. Oh my. Oh, get that, Ethan. Good job.
Run it.
Oh boy. Made that hard catch. Yeah. That was, who scored? Hayden. Yeah, 48. That's 2 on him, right, Hattie? Just took it with him. As long as it doesn't come on our scoreboard. Oh boy, how does that happen?
All the way back. Here we go.
Is it 44
Okay.
now?
Yep.
Pressure, Riley.
44, yep.
Challenge it.
Keep pushing it, but don't pull. It's got me scared.
Yeah. Good job, Dylan. Oh.
Go, 13, let's go. Get into a side.
Come on, Caden. Start with it.
There we go.
Oh, shoot.
Are you planning on staying the rest of the game? Let me know when you're ready. Okay, let's get Caden and Caden and Boston.
Riley, that's yours. Right, Riley! Let me get an extra pass! Get here! Get all you want! We're fine! You gotta get that corner. Ball's on this side, you gotta be here. Now you gotta be there.
Back in.
Who is that?
52, I think.
Who's that?
3?
3?
Yeah, ball's on 3. Oh yeah, down low. You're running. Yeah. Are you going in for shooter? Okay. Come on, Caden.
I got shooter.
Good job, Caden. Shooter.
Get there! Run at him! Run at him! Go, Bobby! Bobby! Go get him, Austin! Austin, that's yours! Smart! Gabe, stay up! Gabe, stay up! All the way back, Austin! Hey, White, go get him. That's your man. Go get him, man.
Go, look at him.
Get him.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice job, Ethan.
Go. Let's talk now. Go again.
Oh, miss.
Man's your man. Get him in. Let's go. Get him in. Let's go. Come on. Turn him off, fool.